Griffin, what are you doing? How'd you get in there? How'd you get in there, Pumpkin? What are you doing? Is that a laundry basket? Yeah. Are you having fun in there? You just crawled right in, huh? Griffin Isaac, what are you doing? Oh, look at you on your hands and knees. You just crawled right in there. Uh-oh. How'd you get out? Yeah, cutie. Here, can I move it for you? That didn't help, did it? Do you want out? What are we doing? I bet if you follow it this way, you'll get out. Hi. You're getting it. You're getting it. There you go. Yeah. Come on out. Come on out. Yay, hi.